Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. I'm working on a 2004 Toyota Camry. So right now the problem is with the window and the handle. The customer told me that someone's trying to break into her car and they mess up the window and the handle here. So when I try to roll it up, it will fall off the track. You can see right there, it fall off the track right there, and it makes that noise. And then when I try to go back up, you hear that? And then the handle is broken here. So they broke into a car and they did some damage. So I'm gonna open up the door panel and check what's broken. To remove the door panel, there's a Phillip right here, one right here, one behind the cover here. You're gonna pry out this cover here. And then there's two Phillip down here, one here, one here. And then for the master switch, you're gonna use a pry tool to pry from the back here, take it out. There's two connectors in the back right here, one right here, one right here. After you remove that, you're gonna remove this bolt right here too, same thing. And you see the two connector right here. And then after you remove all the bolts, you can pop it out from the bottom first and then lift it up. There you go. I'm gonna disconnect the cable right here. I notice here the cable here, this one is for the lock, the one that unlocked and locked. It sits on top of it, it's not even on. And this one's for the handle right here. When I took out the panel and I took out the plastic cover here, look at this. This is why it's off the track. So the metal is bent. So the regulator is bad. So I'm gonna take out the regulator, take out this bolt, this one, and this one to take out the whole regulator. Remove the window. You're gonna remove the 10mm here, and then there's another 10mm on this side. And then after you take them both out, you can remove the window just like that. You can see on this side right here. The window regulator for the motor here sits right here. You're gonna press on this tab and pull, and you're gonna remove all the yellow bolt, and then you're just gonna work your way out. There you go, with the motor. So now I have the part here. This is aftermarket, not OEM, but if you guys want OEM, I'll show you the part right there. That's the part number. This is OEM. This one comes with the motor. The only difference is the connector, but it's the same thing. If you look, both of them is the same thing. So now I swap over the mirror bracket. I might have to put silicone in here and then put the glass in. So because this came off, the glue broke off, so I might have to put silicone so that way when it dry up it doesn't flop around like this. I already got the window regulator in already. Before I put the window into the regulator, I just want to test the regulator, make sure it's working. So that's fully up, fully down. Yep, it's working smooth. Right now I got the window in already. I only have one bolt into the regulator, but this one I'm gonna put silicone in it in between here, so that way, so let me lift this up, that way I can adjust this to the right position and then sit the window down. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, but you guys get the point. So I'm gonna have it up like this, and then where I find the correct spot, I'm gonna lay it down. Now you can see I put silicone inside the window bracket, and then I press it down, so, and then I smear it out to the mirror. I try to put it back on the original mark of the old glue where it's at, but it doesn't work, so I'm just gonna work my way to make this window work and go up and down. So right now I have it in. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna get it to go up. So once I go up, I'm gonna leave it stay up because this is not dry yet. I want it to hold. So once it go all the way up, it's gonna press into the door frame, and then it'll align everything up. So I'm gonna go up on the window, make sure everything's on the track. The window's on the window track already. This one's the same thing. Now I'm gonna, hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, I might have to adjust it a few more times. Right now it's getting stuck, you can see. Smear this up. There you go. I'm gonna pull it up all the way. Oh, got silicone on there. I'm gonna take it off. So right now it's fully pressed to the top. So I'm gonna leave it where it is, and I'm gonna leave it till the silicone is dry and where it sticks to the window, and then I'm gonna test it one more time going down and up. The original window motor, you guys can take it out and swap it to the new one if you want, but for this one, the customer, she wants them all new, so I'm gonna leave it new. I'm not gonna swap over the OEM one. So right now I'm just letting the silicone dry where it sticks to the window. The silicone been sitting for an hour already, so hopefully it kind of dry up and it stick to the window. Now I'm gonna test it if it goes fully down. Oh, it just came out. See that? So I have to wait at least a day then for this to dry, but it's coming down, so it's good enough. Not completely dry yet, so I gotta wait for this at least 2 days for it to be like completely dry. But if I put the my hand support it, push it down, it goes all the way down. And I'm gonna go back up on it. Make sure it goes fully up. There you go, all the way up. That's good enough. So I'm gonna tell the customer I leave it up at least for 2-3 days till it completely dry, so it sticks to the window. But now I'm gonna put everything back. And for the connector here, I just took out the old grommet from the other one and I put it on this one, and then I just shoved the connector through. The handle here, this is the cheapest one I can find. It's like 45-50 bucks right here. They don't have the same color. They have this one and black one available for now. And then I verified to a customer. I was like, hey, you need the same color because it's a different color. She's like, no, it's okay, it's just a handle. So this is just the part number right here, and I believe you just pop the handle out with the whole assembly like this. Press those tab in, press it in and push it forward. Completely broken. You can see this one is just floppy. This one is with tension because the spring in the back here is still holding on to the latch, and it still has tension. This one just completely broken, so I'm just gonna put in the new one. Yep, just different color. Yep, it's not popping out. That's good, it's locked. Putting this back, a few people ask me a few questions. They always ask me, how do you know which cable is which cable? How you know is this cable right here. So when you pull it, there's a tension. That's the handle. And when you push this, that's the lock. That's the one that you unlock and locked. You see how you pull it, it stays? That's locked. See that? Locked. You pull it and then it unlocks. There you go, you see that? So this is the handle, this is the lock. One more time, the green cable is for the handle. See that? And the clear one is for the lock. So now I'm just gonna put everything back. I got everything backed on already. Everything is good. I'm gonna make sure I put a sticky note right here. Do not roll down the window for 3 days. Because I want the silicone to dry. But that's it. Just a window regulator and the inner door handle. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.